In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonials slider in Wix. This is an excellent way to showcase customer feedback and boost credibility on your site. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is your main workspace where you create and customize your website. Once you're there, look for the option to add elements on the left-hand side of the editor. This is a toolbox of sorts, offering a wide variety of elements that you can incorporate into your website, ranging from text boxes to image galleries. Now, to add a testimonials slider, we need to create a strip for it. A strip is a horizontal section that spans the width of your site, and it can hold other elements like images, text, or even videos. Click on Strip in the Elements menu to add one to your page. Once the strip is in place, your next step is to locate the Testimonials section. Wix provides pre-made testimonial layouts that can be easily customized to suit your design and content preferences. Simply click on Testimonials, and you'll see a variety of design options appear. Each comes with its own layout and style, so take your time to choose the one that you feel best represents your brand and is aesthetically pleasing. After selecting your preferred testimonial design, it's time to manage the columns. Managing columns essentially allows you to organize how the testimonials will be displayed. You can adjust how many testimonials show up in each row, the spacing between them, and even more advanced settings like padding. This is crucial for ensuring that your testimonials fit nicely on your page without overwhelming other content. Having set up the columns, click on Layout. This feature gives you control over the structural arrangement of the elements within your testimonial slider. With layout options, you can adjust the alignment and spacing, ensuring that everything looks harmonious and well organized. Next, move on to the Design option. Here you can adjust the visual aspects of your testimonial slider. This includes the color scheme, fonts, and styles. Good design is a reflection of your brand identity, so be sure to align these settings with your brand's aesthetics for maximum impact. Finally, don't forget to add a touch of creativity with animation and effects. This is where you can introduce some dynamic elements to your testimonials. Whether you want the testimonials to fade in, slide in, or even bounce, animations can make them more engaging. Just remember to keep it subtle to ensure the focus remains on the content itself. And there you have it. Your testimonials slider is now set up and ready to enhance your Wix site by showcasing the positive experiences of your satisfied customers. Be sure to preview your page to see how everything looks before hitting publish. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.